Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you wherever you are around the world. And in this video, I will be talking how to teach language skills with technology. Teaching language skills with technologies refers to the use of various digital tools and technologies to enhance the teaching and learning of different language skills. For example, speaking, listening, reading, writing, and also comprehension. And technology can significantly augment language education by providing interactive and dynamic resources that cater to individuals' learning styles and also promote engagement and proficiency in the target language. And that's what it means, teaching language skills with technologies. And here I would like to share some ways in which technologies can be used to teach language skills, right? When you are teaching listening and speaking, audio and video materials can be incorporated to improve listening comprehension and also speaking skills. So here language learners can listen to authentic conversations, they can listen podcasts or watch videos in the target language. Additionally, video conferencing tools also will enable the learners or the students to practice speaking with native speakers, or they can practice with their friends, their colleagues, or their peers in real time, right? And there is technologies that can be used for listening and speaking. And when you teach or when you are learning reading and writing, digital platforms also offer a vast array of reading materials such as ebooks, right? Articles, blogs, right? And the purpose is in order the students can read a lot in the target language, right? And also you can use the platform that have interactive exercises or quizzes, or maybe writing platforms that can help learners or students to develop their reading and writing abilities. And also online collaborative tools can also facilitate writing practice and also peer feedback, right? And that is when you are teaching or learning about reading and writing. And when you are learning or teaching vocabulary and grammar, right? Here language learning applications and also software often include vocabulary drills and also grammar exercises, helping learners to reinforce their understanding and also reinforce their retention of language rules and also the new words, right? So this also can be used through applications or software. And the next one is language learning apps. Now there are numerous language learning apps provide technology tools to learn, such as Duolingo, for example, or Babel, and also Memrise. Now these applications provide gamified and interactive lessons, right? So I encourage you to download like Duolingo or Babel, Memrise, because this really helpful to make language learning enjoyable and also accessible on various devices, right? That is the language learning apps. And also virtual reality and augmented reality. Now, what do I mean here? Virtual reality and augmented reality technologies. This is a kind of technologies that enable immersive language learning to experience more, where learners can practice a virtual environment in real life situations, for example, ordering food at a restaurant, or maybe navigating a foreign city, for example. This is a virtual reality that can be used, right? And furthermore, there is also language learning platforms. It's online language learning platforms and learning management systems that offer comprehensive courses with structured lessons and progress tracking, and also it can make it easier for learners and educators to monitor language development, right? And you can also use other technologies such as social media and language exchange, because social media platforms and language exchange websites also allow learners or students to connect with their native speakers worldwide, or fostering language practice and also cultural exchange, right? And I do believe by integrating these technologies into language education, teachers can create dynamic and personalized learning experience, and also cater to diverse learner needs and cultivate language proficiency more effectively. However, you need to remember that it's essential for educators to strike balance, right, between technology and also use face-to-face interaction. And here you need to ensure that learners have the opportunity to practice their language skills in authentic and in real-life situations, right? And that's how technologies can help the teachers and students to learn language skills, right, everybody? And thank you very much for listening to this video. If you are interested to learn online, you may contact me. There is a contact number in the description, and you may contact me, and I will be glad to help you to improve your English speaking, reading, and writing, as well as listening. Thank you for listening. If you think this video is useful for you, you may like it, you may share, you may subscribe, in order you are going to get notification for the next video. And thank you for listening and watching. Bye bye for now.